Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So today's video is in honor of Valentine's Day, and I'm actually filming it today, the day it's supposed to go up. Unfortunately, it's probably going to be up pretty late. I had planned to film this yesterday, so a day early, but unfortunately, because of some weird weather conditions, I ended up getting stuck out of town and didn't get back home till today. Either way, I really wanted to get this out because it is a special painting, so hopefully, even though this will be out late, it is still enjoyable. So today's colors were picked by Travis, and he requested dark blue, neon green, and neon pink. I'm also going to do a little bit of white for some contrast and to help divide some of the colors up. I'm using two different blues. This one for the dark one, I added a little bit of white just because I know this one tends to dry really dark, and then a little bit of fluorescent blue because I do think this will look really cool under blacklight, and this won't show up under blacklight, so wanted to have a little bit of both. This GenCrafts Pre-Mixed Neon Green. If you are interested in getting any of the GenCrafts paints, I will have a discount code in my description that you can check out. Also this DecoArt Neon Pink. My white is just an Artist Loft Flow acrylic that is left over from another pour. Ribbon pours tend to work best on this type of wood background, so that's what I'm going to do for this. I will pour all of my colors into a cup and then just kind of go across covering all the different areas and tilt to get full coverage. I think it'll look really pretty with these colors. Alright, so it took me a little while to get all the edges covered. It's always a little tricky when there are so many different places that the paint needs to flow, but so far I am really loving this. We have this cool purple in here that is coming from the blue and the pink together, but we aren't getting a lot of mud, which is great because the pink and the green could have made that, but I did try to keep them from touching as much as possible. Now, I see some cells popping up, so I am going to use my torch, and then we'll let it sit for a little while and take a closer look. And we're back. So I tried to blow on some of the paint to get a little bit of the green off because I can tell there's other colors under it, but it kind of kept coming back, so I think the green just wants to be there. So let's take a closer look. So starting up here, really cool kind of overlay of green and white there. It's really neat. I don't know if you can see it on the camera very well. And then coming down in here, you get some purple, which is like from that blue and pink. And then we have blue and green coming together. Some cells in here. There's some more cells going down this way, so we get some of that really nice hot pink in there. Very cool. Then over to the E, which is so pretty because you kind of get a little bit of all the colors. Really, really cool. And then this heart is just a stunner. It got a lot of the pink. For whatever reason, the pink that was kind of put in at the end is mostly the pink that showed. But I just really love it. I did blow it a little bit over here to try to get some of that blue and green at the top to show because it was mostly just pink. Overall, I love how these colors look and might want to experiment with these again. And I know Travis is watching, so great choice in colors. I think they came together really nicely. I will have to pull this out again once it's dry and next time I use my black lights because I think this will look really nice under the black light as well. So that may be coming up in the future too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope everyone had a safe and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day.